What is going on, everyone? It is Mark here with another video, and today we are taking a look at another pair of wireless headphones, earbuds, whatever you want to call them. So the brand we're going to be taking a look at is Tribit. This particular model here is the FlyBuds. So what we'll do is we'll very quickly kind of go around the box, and then inside the box talk about what the specifications are, some of the features, and then we're actually going to give them a shot, see what they feel like, see what they sound like, and we'll make a judgment from there. So at the front of the box, we've got, of course, Tribit, very kind of minimal branding. I'm a pretty big fan of that. At the back here, FlyBuds, true wireless earbuds, and a whole bunch of other kind of miscellaneous information there for us to take a look at. Let's get into the box itself, and there they are. So unboxing experience so far is pretty nice. This is a nice little case here with the actual earbuds in them. We'll leave that off to the side. A little package here. What is this? Did Christmas come early? Ah, yes. This is the USB to USB-C to charge the actual case up. And I guess we got some additional gel tips here. That's the little box. Put that off to the side. Foam to protect everything, and a bunch of literature, instruction manuals, how to pair, all that stuff. You've got your warranty card, and as well as a $1 kind of UNICEF card. I'm not really sure what this is about. Leave us a review on any channel and we'll return the favor by donating $1 to United States Fund of UNICEF charity. That's pretty cool. Check that out. Anyways, so that's all the literature. That's everything that's kind of in the box. I'm gonna put that off to the side a little bit. And now we are into the actual earbud. But before we take them out, let's talk about some of the specifications, kind of the features of this actual pair of wireless earbuds. So 36 hours of playtime, USB-C to charge everything up. They are IPX5 waterproof. Like I mentioned before, this is a very nice kind of leather case. Feels very good. Overall quality of the actual case, very, very nice. Kind of heavy, kind of feels good in the hand. Like that soft touch leather. Very satisfying, kind of magnetic at the bottom there. If you guys want to take a closer look at that. Oh, so very, very satisfying. Right at the front of the case, just underneath the locking mechanism, if you will, there's going to be two LEDs to indicate if the actual earbuds are charging or not. So now we have all of that fun stuff out of the way. Let's actually open the case, see what the actual earbuds look like. So there they are. They are very kind of sleek, matte black finish. They kind of have that minimal Tribit branding. It looks overall very, very good. Very kind of satisfying feel. They actually do charge and kind of click in similar to a lot of the other wireless earbuds with the magnetic and the two little prong little clips there. They fit in very well. They are going to kind of sit in there snug. So to actually get this paired up, it is a very simple process. All you got to do is open the case. Bob is your uncle, if I can, while looking at the camera. You gotta open the case, and right away they go into pairing or connecting mode. So if it's the first time you're actually using these, you'll be able to connect once this is open. And once you're already synced up and paired, and you put them back in, you close the case, you open it back up, they will start connecting automatically. So there is no kind of weird waiting process where you actually have to select the device you are listening to. They just connect literally automatically. So that is great. I haven't had these in my ears yet. I just got them paired up, but now it is time for the almighty in-ear sound quality fit feel test. So right, left, and in they go. Okay, they are in. So far, so good. These are the medium tips. I didn't change anything out of the box, but I do have a very, I guess, standard size ear. These fit great. There is a little bit of kind of sound isolation just because they are the rubber tips. Before I turn these on, I did watch a few reviews and read a little bit about these. They had firmware issues, very, very beginning stages of this. So I'm really hoping that they figure this out. But let's give this a whirl. Wow. These are good. I'm at 75% volume right now, very clear. Nothing's muffled, nothing's kind of too loud. Low end is there, not too punchy. Okay, full volume. Wow. I'm very impressed. And there are gestures that actually go on with the actual earbuds themselves. Double tap pauses the music, double tap again. I'm actually very legitimately impressed with that. I was not expecting that. Sound quality, I would literally compare these to AirPods Pros. They don't have the active noise cancellation, but the sound quality is definitely there. And the fact that it's just like very simple, open and in the ear Like there's no like 3,000 steps to actually get them paired up. Like there you go. Sound quality, hello. These are very impressive. Let me tell you a little bit about the issue that I thought I may have had, that the syncing between the two was not 100% perfect, that it was kind of like one was a little bit delayed, but this was perfect. These sounded great. I was not expecting that. A lot of earbuds come into the office and you actually listen to them and they're just trash and you don't even make a video about them, but this, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Honestly, an AirPod competitor right here. An AirPod, Jaybird, the Beats Pro, like competitor 101 right here. This is a legitimate option. Anyways, those were the Tribit FlyBuds earphones, or earbuds if you will. I'll leave a link down in the description because these are a legitimate alternative to a lot of other wireless earbuds. Like I'm very pleasantly surprised. Thank you Tribit for actually sending these out to me to review. You guys made a legitimately great product. I am very happily going to recommend this to anyone who is in the kind of wireless earbud space to actually look into this and use these as a potential candidate option for you. No, they don't have all of the fancy features like some of the other ones, but this, like sound quality, fantastic. Gestures, fantastic. Pairing, fantastic. Anyways, I hope you liked that video. Hope it was informative. I hope you liked my reaction to these because that was legitimately something I was not expecting. And let me know what you guys thought down in the comment section below. But if you liked that video, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below. For additional brownie points, you know what to do. Follow me on all my social media. Links can be found down in the description. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.